Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 2 Club, Smart Woman's Guide to Breakups and Everything After. Today I'm here with Cassie Zampa-Keim, dating and relationship expert of innovativematch.com. And what is the hot tip of the day, Cassie?
Hot tip of the day. Just because the coronavirus is coming to an end or ended, I still think Zooming can be a great way to have a first date. So if somebody says, should we Zoom, go ahead and Zoom. Because what's nice about Zoom is that you can Zoom in your home. You don't have to get a babysitter. You don't have to stress out about getting in the car with traffic. You don't have to do all those things, worrying about a work call or scheduling a date. Sometimes doing a Zoom date for the first date is not such a bad idea. That is my takeaway from the coronavirus. Zoom dating, it's still gonna be in for a long time. So don't be afraid if someone offers to Zoom, why not? It's easy, it's easy, and people have done it for the last year. So good luck.